Come along, come with me. We are learning letters so easily. Sing them loud, sing with glee. From A to Z, come sing with me. Yay! A is for apple, red and sweet, a yummy fruit that's nice to eat. B is for ball, rolling around, bounce it high up from the ground. C is for cat, soft and small, it likes to chase and play with a ball. D is for dog, friendly and fast, wags its tail as we walk past. E is for egg, oval and white, crack it open, what a sight. F is for fish, swimming away, gliding through the sea all day. G is for goat, climbing high, it finds a mountain near the sky. H is for hat, on my head, yellow, green, or maybe red. I is for ice, cold and clear, it melts away when summer is near. J is for jar, full of jam, spread it on bread, yum, yes I am. K is for kite, flying so high, sailing smoothly across the sky. L is for lion, roaring loud, strong and brave, it makes us proud. M is for moon, shining bright, it lights the sky every night. N is for nest, up in a tree, little birds sing happily. O is for orange, juicy and round, a healthy snack that can be found. P is for pen, writing words, drawing shapes and little birds. Q is for queen, wearing a crown, riding her carriage through the town. R is for rainbow, bright and white, colors shining side by side. S is for sun, warm and bright, it fills the day with golden light. T is for train, chugging along, moving fast with a cheerful song. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry when raindrops fall from the cloudy sky. V is for van, driving fast, zooming down the street so fast. W's for whale, big and blue, splashing water, whoosh it flew. X is for xylophone, playing a song, ding dong ding, we sing along. Y is for yo-yo, up and down, spinning and swirling round and round. Z is for zebra, black and white, running fast with stripes so bright. Now we've sung our ABC, we've learned our letters A to Z. Clap your hands, sing with me, learning is fun as fun can be.